Hello everyone, welcome to CHY Mall e-commerce business. This is your guy Paza Milala. I'm actually here to draw your attention to new communiques that have been released on the 18th of January 2021. Actually, two communiques were released. The first one was 16.3 and then the other one is 22.3. So 16.3 actually talks about the recharge, the CHY Mall Ghana recharge, and then the second one actually talks about the official, mainly talks about the official addresses, the company's official addresses that we would be using for recharging. So currently I would like to talk about Communique 16.3 for now, and then later I can do another video on the second Communique. So kindly subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification bell for more videos to come, and you can be the first person to enjoy them. So let's zoom straight to what we're supposed to do. So this is the Communique 16.3 and the title is latest CHY Mall Ghana recharge for CHY points, activation points and consumption points. So I don't want to read everything. I'll just talk about each of them. So this is the first part. So the first part is telling us is saying that the company has decided to improve their recharge issues in 2021. So this CHY Mall is always committed to resolving some issues and trying to improve upon themselves, and one of them is the recharge issues. So they've tried to improve on that and mitigate some recharge issues, and this has to do with how to buy our CHY points, activation points and consumption points. Now they gave us two ways to do that. There are two basic ways in which we can recharge our accounts. The first is through Momo. That is the first part. And the second is recharging through the company's official wallet addresses. And when I say the wallet addresses, it's through the BTC, the ETH and then the USDT. So first of all, let's look at the Momo. So they are saying that please recharge through Momo to your respective and desired uplines and leaders. So the first part is that we can only recharge through our Momo account. That is especially those from Ghana. This communique is actually for those from Ghana. And for the Momo, the people we should look for are our uplines and then what? Our leaders. These are the people by which we can contact to be able to recharge our accounts through the Momo that we have. However, we should be very careful. Do not send your money to unknown people. Before you send your money, you should look for the right people. You should look for the right uplines, the right leaders who will be able to do the right job, get you your points, and then you get going. So be very careful about that. And the second part is that we should recharge through company official BTC, ETH, USDT wallet addresses. So they are going to provide wallet addresses for these three official company's official account. That is the BTC, Bitcoin, the ETH, and then the USDT. So in any of them you want to recharge, then you can find an address through which you can do that. So these are the two main ways we can recharge, which we must take note of that. Now, in trying to recharge, because some of these things are just latest updates or they are new, especially is BTC, ETH, USDT. So in case you want to recharge and then you face any challenges in doing that, please ask your direct uplines or your customer care. They are very happy to help you. You know, it's satisfying when you help someone. So our uplines as well as the customer care are very happy to be able to help us. So do not fail to ask questions. And we all know that when you ask questions, you get more knowledge. When you ask more questions, you get more clarification on issues. So when you face problems with regards to recharging your account, you need to look for your direct uplines or you look for the customer care, and these people are ready to help you. That is what the company CHY e-commerce are saying. Also, they said that we should kindly follow what the leaders say and the company's official communications. So just don't be doing business. You don't care whatever they sent in your WhatsApp groups. You don't care to read about the business. You don't know anything about it. It's not good. You need to follow what the leaders are saying in the groups, and you also need to be able to follow any new communique that has been released, the official communications by the company. You need to follow them, and that is why I sometimes take this part of my time in doing this, just to draw the attention of people to what is actually going on in the company. So follow and then know what is actually going on. They are saying also that all members and leaders should preach the right information. And when we say preach the right information here, what do we mean? The right information is that CHY Mall is a well-known e-commerce trading platform. It's a well-known e-commerce trading platform. In fact, it's in many countries, not just only Africa, beyond Africa, about more than 50 countries. So it's a well-known e-commerce trading platform, and it's never an investment company. Neither is it a financial banking institution. So that is the right gospel we should preach. Let's take note of that. CHY Mall also says that we should remember to take good care of our CHY Mall accounts. This is something we should always be careful with, because if you are not careful and you keep displaying or disclosing your login passwords, your username, and then your transaction passwords, then you could be hacked, and we know the meaning of this. If all this information are displayed, you can be held responsible. Your account will be hijacked, and then you will lose your property. And you do not need to blame the company or anybody for your own, sorry to say, carelessness. So let's be very careful about that. So they are saying that you can check every day So every day try to check your account to see how your account is trading. Is it going on normal? Is everything okay in your account? We should be able to have time to check at least every day, see what is going on. And if you detect any unusual things going on, then quickly notify the CS team. So when you get this, just try to notify them and they will be of help. They'll try to see how they can help you. So that is what they said. So be very careful. And also, do not look for easy login information. Very easy login and passwords. It's bad. So try to at least get a little bit of complex login passwords which you cannot forget. So these login passwords shouldn't be very easy for anybody to just guess it or guess them. But you should also remember them. Do not also forget. For example, many people just use their telephone numbers as their passwords. You see, it's easy to try to check, use your telephone number and then try to see because if I know your telephone number and you use your telephone number as your password, I can just say, okay, I have the telephone number of this person. Let me try it for the password and see. And if I try and then it opens, what is that? And then some people use their birth dates in doing these things. It's not the best. Try to use numbers, letters, alphanumeric numbers. Just mix them. You understand? Numbers, letters, and then you can have a good login and transaction passwords which nobody can easily have access to. So this is something we must take note of. So if you are the kind of person who is fond of using your telephone number, your name, or just your name or your date of birth, I would advise you change them accordingly and do the right thing. Then please trade with care and within your own limits, and do not forget to forward any complaints to the appropriate customer cares for assistance. So if you are trading and then you face any problems, please WhatsApp your text only. That don't call, just text the customer care. They will be able to help you to resolve any issues that you have. So that is basically what this communique is talking about, and I think that is the end of it. What is left is just appreciation and all that. So they continue to thank us for the kind of partnership we're doing and all that. So that is basically that. And this is in French, and I think the French people would take that, or will also do that for us to learn. However, what I'm supposed to do, or what I can do, is about the English version. So, and I think I am done with that. However, I thank you once again for gluing to this channel, and I hope you would subscribe to my channel and then hit the notification bell so that you'll be able to be the first person to see the next video on Communique 22.3. And in that communique, we shall be seeing the addresses that we'll be using for the company's official wallet addresses. We will see all that, so do not forget to follow me, and thank you for your time. I love you all. Let's enjoy together. Remember, this is our season and it's time to shine again. Let's spread the good news and let's continue to do our best. Love you all, and bye for now.